Morning, and today we are going to digitize a split Easter egg applique. It would be good to put like a child's name or a last name. You could use it for pillows, towels, Easter baskets, things like that. So let's get started. First, we're going to kind of follow around the egg. Move this down where I can see it. Okay, so we have this outline right now. We're going to just assign it a color, um, like a light pink color. We're going to copy it and paste it. Um, Change the color because this will be the next. The first one is kind of like a placement line. This will be kind of like the tack down where you would trim after you do this step. So we're going to paste it again, change the color, and we'll make it medium pink. And in the parameters for this, we're going to do satin stitches, and we're going to make the density, let's see what 8 looks like. And that should work. Also, we're going to change the width on this to be 1.5 centimeters. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we will paste it in one more time, and we will select, like a pretty yellow color or something for the actual satin stitch. And before we can turn it in, we are going to remove this node right here, so that the satin will stop here, because then we will take it and make it all the way across. So we will make it satin stitches, the width of 4, generate the stitches, and then there you can actually see the satin stitches. So we'll go back to normal, make a quick running stitch from here to here, generate it, and then back from here all the way over to the other end, satin stitches, and a width of 4. And we will make these all the same color. Now we will repeat the process up at the top. We will start by digitizing the running line for the top of the egg. Come over. And we will make it the same color as the first one that was the placement line, just because. And then we're going to paste this again, make it the color of the second one. This would be where it would tack it down so you can trim it. Paste it again, make it the color of the third one, which is we'll have to go in and change the parameters to be satin stitches, the density of 8. Oops, sorry about that. Satin stitches, density of 8, and a width of 1.5. And then one more time, which we will make this one this color. because it will be the satin stitch. But again, we are going to edit this and remove this last node. We'll make it, satin stitches with a width of 4. Make a little run stitch over here to the end. And then from there all the way to the other side. Satin stitches with the width of 4. This one, that needs to come out just a hair. And we will make these the same color. Group these and group these. And with this, this is the actual design that you just digitized. It's a cute little applique, great for Easter. So you can actually have these sections different colors, different fabrics. Just have fun. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks very much.